In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is disabled. To enable it, hit the same one again. You can also just go into settings and look for location section over here. Then tap on this switcher next to access my location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!